Is it just me, or does anyone else have a problem with some home design trends, especially Nigeria? Because why would my home be looking like a museum or a church? Those designs are not realistic. It is called a home for a reason. A home. Kai. Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. For my old subscribers, thank you so much. I do not take it for granted. And for my new subscribers, you are welcome. You know I have a lot of things to dish out on this channel, so why don't you click the bell so that you will get the content firsthand. You will not miss anyone. You got it. Today we are going to be discussing some home design trends that I don't like. Oh, I know that some of you will come after me, but hey, it has to be said. I'm not an expert in interior design, but that one no mean say I no go fit get opinion on some of these kind of things you get. So without wasting much time, let's go right into it. So number one trend that I don't like is multiple pillows on the bed or on the sofa. I really think it's not necessary, because imagine a guest come over and you have to remove the pillows on your chair for them to sit down, or you want to go to bed and you need to remove the pillows on the bed for you to sleep. What do you need 10 pillows on your bed for, or 10 pillows on your sofa for? It's essential that you buy what you need. For a sofa, like a 3-seater sofa, 3 pillows is okay. 3 throw pillows is okay. And in a master bedroom, you can use 4. I'm even saying that 4 so that at least your room will be fine when you arrange it. You understand? But 4 pillows is fine. No need to put like 10 or 20, and then you keep it on the floor. Even if you clean the floor every hour, every day, why would you put your pillow on the floor? It's not even hygienic. So buy what you need. So for multiple pillows on the sofa and on the bed is a big no. So the next trend that I don't like is massive lightings in small spaces. I don't have a problem with those massive lights, but why put a massive light in a small space? This is what I believe we should do. For a room that has a high ceiling and a big space, use a big light. Okay? For a room that is small and precise, use a small light. It's simple and very easy. You see this particular trend there? In fact, I've been noticing it in Nigeria. It can happen in other countries, but I noticed it here. Designer bed sheets. For kiddies rooms that, they play with colors and everything, like you use Batman, Superman and the likes, it's fine, it's okay. But for an adult room, what are you using? Gucci bed sheets, Louis Vuitton bed sheets. Why? I actually believe that you should use either a plain bed sheet or a minimal pattern bed sheet. Give your room a very rich and sophisticated look. Even if you want to go for the designer bed sheets, most of these designer brands are making simple pattern bed sheets that can make your room look unique, beautiful and all. Why not go for that one? Why would you have their logos scattered everywhere? If you like all those Versace and everything, just go for a simple pattern bed sheets. Another trend I have noticed is too many props and accessories in the home. It makes your house too cluttered. Little is beautiful, minimal is beautiful. Instead of putting 10, why not put 2 or 3? Instead of displaying everything out in the kitchen, why not keep some and show out some? Why don't you declutter your environment? At least make breeze flow well. This is not a design trend, but I just want to add it because it is something I have noticed in some homes, especially in Nigeria. There are actually some homes that in their parlor setting alone, you see a lot of old electronics, and then they have the new ones there. Why? Throw the old one, let the new one shine. If I remove it, my parlor will look small. Let it look small. It's even fine now. That's the latest design. When it's small, it's the latest design. Throw it away or thrift it. Let breeze blow very well. Minimal is beautiful. Minimal is beautiful. So these are the few trends that I don't like that I shared with you guys. And I'm very sure that I left out some. So let me know in the comment section some of the trends that you don't like. make we roll, make we understand ourselves. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like and share. See you.